Right, the barrel. We've got two 12mm head nuts in there. We've got two 14mm head nuts on there, and then we've got Allen bolts here, 5mm again. Just loosen those. You can just get a 1/2 inch drive socket into there. But you're stuck with a 14mm spanner for the lower ones. Don't forget the washers. Now they're an awkward one, these. To physically get out. You're probably as well leaving it until you've withdrawn the head. Now there is a spacer fitted, similar material to the nut, down in the bottom. It's meant just as a washer, I think. Now let's get those out as well. Head, oh, barrel, sorry. Should pull off. There are some lever points. You'll see a tab to the back of the barrel that doesn't seem to be doing anything. It's actually a lever point, and there's one at the front, just in front of the main block's engine mount. So we can get a screwdriver in and lever it up. a little bit awkward. If you need to, pop a bit of oil down into the barrel. To let the piston slide out. That's it, that's the head off. Remove the base gasket. And that's it. If we were removing the piston, which I don't need to do at the moment, take clips out either side, push the pin out, the piston just pulls off. There's no roller bearings in the top. It's just straight onto the piston pin. Just a note of caution, we removed the clutch earlier. The shaft in there will have a ball bearing and a push rod. You can try and get it out at this point, but if it doesn't, don't worry about it, because it will fall out anyway. Now, that's the ball bearing. Now, next job is to split the casing. I'm going to turn the video off and we'll go through actually splitting it when I've loosened all the bolts.